Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe, your go-to channel for everything. Today's tip is a real productivity booster: how to organize your Visual Studio projects by element type in Dynamics 365 F&O. Let's dive right in. Why should you organize by element type? When working in D365 FO, you're dealing with tons of objects, tables, forms, classes, data entities, you name it. If everything lives inside a single project, it becomes a mess real quick. So, what's the smarter approach? Break your projects into folders like tables, forms, classes, and so on. This helps with better readability, easier team collaboration, faster debugging, and a more scalable structure for larger implementations. Step by step. Let's set it up. Step 1. Launch Visual Studio in your D36 top menu and go to Dynamics 365, then Options, then Projects, then Organize Project by Element Type. Yep, just check this little option. As soon as you enable this, Visual Studio will do the sorting for you, automatically. Step 3. Now, just start adding objects from the AOT. Whether you're adding a table, a class, or a form, Visual Studio will detect the type and create a folder for it, right inside your project. How cool is that? So, if you're starting a new customization or cleaning up a cluttered solution, take a minute to check this setting in Visual Studio. It might seem small, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Organize today, thank yourself tomorrow. Want more Dynamics 365 tips? Then hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out.